Most people know Bonaire for snorkeling and diving, but what if I told you some of the island's best gems are hidden in the south? So this is all they're just trying to sell tours. Made a stop here so we can look at the beach water. There's our ride, folks. So we stopped at another beach. Here's our second beach stop, and this beach was very scenic, but very, very beautiful. As we continue the drive to the salt flats, you actually get to see them picking up salt in the backhoes. Also very scenic, and the pink salt flats, it's such a far stretch. Very calm, very peaceful, looks very, very nice. I highly suggest stopping to see the salt flats. This part of the salt flats actually looks like ice glaciers, if you ask me. Just wait till you see the windsurfers, and that beach was the most calmest and not that windy, but I guess there was enough wind because the windsurfers were out there just moving. Here's a shot of the lighthouse. We didn't stop because it was closed and you couldn't really go in. But what we saw ahead of us on the road was way more exciting. Wait till you see this. I wish I had some food for you.
I got some baby.
My daughter loves animals, so she was excited when we stopped, although she was a little hesitant to pet the donkeys. We stopped here at this bridge just because it just looks so beautiful, and you could also see how secluded it is back there when you're driving around sightseeing. But the water is just so clear and so nice, and the open ocean, and you know, coming into the channel, just see for yourself. And here are the flamingos. There weren't many of them around, but we at least got to see them. This was an interesting stop right along the coastline. You can see the artwork that I guess the locals did. It was pretty cool. I kind of like it. They had a fish, a star, you know, all while you're just looking at the open ocean and the waves coming in. We're heading back in. We got hungry, so we're going to get some food. Off to the restaurant we go, guys. You hungry? Tell them how hungry you are.
I am hungry.
And this is where we're stopping to eat. We're just doing some shopping with the local tents. You get to see all of the different things that they offer. My wife specifically likes the jewelry when we go to different places. And here we are back on the ship. I think it's like 9 or 10 o'clock at night, but the night view is beautiful. So guys, if you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.